Hello guys, welcome back to another video from Prime Global Asset. And today you are with me, Liu Sale from Prime Global Asset. And here we are at the Moana Villa in Shillong. It's the private big pool villa with the high area, 478 square meter. Have the grass around the house, luxury villa, private pool, 4 bedroom with 5 bathroom. And the special thing is all bedroom have the ensuite bathroom. That means all bedroom have the bathroom inside. And this villa fully furnished with everything that you want, everything that you like. Okay, come here, have a look today. This is the first one you will see is the car parking spot. Enough for 2 big car right here. Even you have big pickup or big SUV, you can park it right here for 2 car parking. And we have the entrance right here that will go to the living room. And first, we will start at the first zone of the house. When you enter the house, you will see this zone. They have the living area, the dining area, and also have the kitchen area. I will start from the kitchen area first because it's the most zone that I like. And here we have the big kitchen island. When you finish cooking, you don't have to store it here. You can place it right here. And this one we come with the induction stove, and we also have the built-in dishwasher. And we also have the built-in oven, built-in microwave, and everything you need is right here. And we have the big cabinet to store your items, store your goods, everything you can store it inside or up here. And we also have the 2 small chairs here, just in case your kid want to enjoy your cooking time, but you don't want them to come around here. Or you can let them eat here, just in case they come to so too much people. Yeah. And get back to this page, we also have the big refrigerator with the built-in. And it's all furniture, all material is good. The furniture is all new. Next zone is the living zone. We have like big sofa here, enough for 4 to 5 people. Have the small table just in case you want to put your food or you want to relax. We can do it right here. And you also have the big TV here, and you can see the size from the floor to ceiling. The height is very high, like around 3 to 4 meters. And we have like, you see, the lights, natural light, the sunlight come around the house. We have window here and window on the top. And next is the dining zone that you can enjoy eating with your friend or your family. It's the big table with good material, high quality, with the 6 people maximum. And if you see, it have the cabinet here too. In case you have many things to store, you can put it right here. To show, to store, is up to you. And this way is connect to the 3 bedroom here. But I will show you the pool first. Okay, let's go to the pool. And for the pool, we have 4 times 8 square meter with the salt system pool. The size of the pool is good. The water is very clean. It's very light and look crystal. And let's go see the bedroom. In this area, have 3 bedroom here. It have 2 normal bedroom and 2 pool access bedroom, and all bedroom is ensuite bathroom. I will show you this bedroom. This bedroom is the most biggest bedroom in the house. They are pool access bedroom, have the king size bed, and have the built-in closet here. And this bedroom is special because in the bathroom we have like more big space, more than normal bathroom, and we also have the bathtub inside. And in this house, every bathroom, I have to tell you, it's not just water heater, but it's the boiler inside the house, so it's better. And like I said from the start, this house have the green area, have like small garden around the house. You can see by the video. It's not small, I think it's quite big. And another bedroom that I want to show you is the bedroom that separates from the another 3 bedroom. It's total separate from the house. is the pool exit also. You can see it's just right here. You can use it for your visitor or your guest bedroom, or you can use it for your own. It's up to you. And it's very good because it's the same style as inside. Everything is good. And the location of this villa is very good. Like I told you, it's located in Shillong. So it's close to Robinson Lifestyle Shillong, close to Dibuk Hospital, close to Phuket Town, and just 20 minutes to Lawai Beach. You see, it's very nice location. And today, if you're interested, you can contact me or contact Palm Global Asset. This villa costs only 210,000 baht per month with 4 bedroom and 5 bathroom, 478 square meter with private pool, and this villa is very private. And for today, I have to go. You can contact me on Palm Global Asset or comment on YouTube Palm Global Asset, Facebook Palm Global Asset. And I have to go. Bye bye. See you.